Welcome to today's breaking news. Here's a highlight of the day. Wall Street golfed as U.S. inflation topped 9%, euro prices parity. Washington, London, July, world equity wavered on Wednesday as investors digested a report showing U.S. annual consumer prices jumped 9.1% in June, the largest increase in more than 4 decades, leaving Americans to dig deeper to pay for gasoline, food. Markets swung wildly as the euro touched 1 to 1 versus the dollar for the first time in 20 years, as investors also feared more supersized Fed rate hike should be on the way. The U.S. Federal Reserve is expected to deliver a rate hike of possibly up to 100 basis points this month, after a monthly grim inflation report showed price pressures already running at a 40-year high, accelerating further. A bevy on the central bankers over the past couple of weeks has signaled they could suppose what would be a second check 75 basis point rate increase at their upcoming policy meeting on July 26-27. But after Wednesday data from the Labor Department showed rising costs of gas, food and rent drove the consumer price index CPI up to 9.1% last month from a year earlier, the view may have changed. Worries that higher rates could bring the global economy to a standstill or even worse into recession have been the key driver behind both the 20% slump in world stocks this year and the surge in the safe haven US dollar. The dollar was also firm on other peers earlier in the session, but its index measure against major rivals recently fell 0.148% with a roll of 0.17%. US crude recently rose 0.06% to $95.9 per barrel, and Brent was 99.31. Leading cryptocurrency Bitcoin meanwhile last rose 1.74% to $19,655.86. Thank you for subscribing our channel. I see you in the next newsletter.